Hello, I'm J teacher. To improve your Korean language skill, what you really need to do is speaking practice. Today's keyword is practice, 연습. So let's check out three sentences with 연습. Let's get started. Number one, 연습을 통해 완벽해지지. 연습을 통해 완벽해지지. Number two, 연습만이 살 길이야. 연습만이 살 길이야. Number three, 실력을 위해 많은 연습이 필요해. 실력을 위해 많은 연습이 필요해. I hope these three sentences are helpful to you. And speaking of practice, 연습, that reminds me this thought that I wish we have a chance to practice for today or for the future. Maybe study something and practice to improve the skill. Maybe we can say we have chance to practice for the future. I don't know. What do you think? I hope you have a great day today. See you next time with another new keyword.